Well, sorry about that. Camera died, but we were pretty much almost completely done anyways, so Well, had a storm come in late last week. I think it was late last week, and we got about 3 inches. And unfortunately, when we have those significant rainfalls, my driveway, at least this part of it, on the going uphill part, went and washed out pretty badly. So I was planning to go and get some rock and put it on it this year before fall, before harvest. That way the grain trucks, the tractors can go and kind of compact it down before the winter, and I don't have loose gravel in the driveway for winter. A little bit more work that I want to go and do. There's a drainage ditch over here that you can see it's a little bit higher than the rest of the driveway, so I want to actually probably get my loader and get a couple scoopfuls of dirt out of there. That way the water can just go and roll right off into the ditch, and hopefully do that. And since there is higher ground on that side of the driveway, this part of the driveway will all be angled towards that, as you can see right now. Maybe it's not, which that's not the best, but well, there's only so much I can go and do, being me, myself, and I. But it's a lot better, it's a lot smoother than what it was. I felt bad for the UPS guy a couple of days ago when he came up. Say hi to the doggies. He was having to go real slow on my driveway, so that's what prompted me to want to go and fix it and get it squared away. And yeah, so I know there's another video that I took, just haven't gotten to editing it. This one should be a little bit easier to edit. And yeah, well, if you like this stuff, let me know. If you don't, please give me comments, let me know what you think. Otherwise, I'm going to keep doing this. We got fall coming up and harvest, and we'll have a lot more videos of that, and I'm sure that'll be editing time and videos into winter. So talk to you later.